Mga kasiloy, this is Lyle Andalas of CDN Digital. We're here in an uphill area in Barangay Guadalupe near the slope of the rise at Monterrazas where residents experienced the sudden gush of water during the height of Typhoon Tino. This comes as the Department of Environment and Natural Resources has launched a joint investigation into the rise at Monterrazas project to assess its compliance with environmental regulations and evaluate risks such as landslides, flooding, and slope instability. The investigation team is composed of technical experts from DENR Region 7, Environmental Management Bureau, Mines and Geosciences Bureau, Provincial Environment and Natural Resources Office Cebu, Community Environment and Natural Resources Office of Cebu City, the Cebu City Government, and Barangay Guadalupe. They have begun on-site assessments focusing on the project's ECC compliance, the effectiveness of its drainage and slope protection systems, and possible alterations to natural waterways that may contribute to flooding. Here in Sitio Banawa, residents say the recent flooding during the height of Typhoon Tino was unlike anything they've experienced in decades. Store owners Eugenio and Elvira Nerves, who have lived here for 26 years, said they were used to water reaching the road during heavy rains but never entering their home. The couple says the situation escalated so quickly that water began pushing forcefully against their door. They ended up nailing the door shut from the inside in an attempt to stop more water from rushing into their home. They are now calling on DENR and local authorities to determine what caused the sudden surge and whether drainage systems uphill were sufficient. While Typhoon Tino triggered the rainfall, residents here are asking whether changes in the terrain and drainage capacity contributed to the severity of flooding. Experts, including urban planner engineer Nigel Villarete, stresses that drainage must be completed before any structural development. The DENR's findings are expected to determine whether adjustments, repairs, or further regulatory action will be required here at the site of the rise at Monterrazas. Once again, this has been Lyle Andales for CDN Digital.